Hello, this is Sania Patel and you're welcome to HW News English. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal will continue to remain in jail at least till April 29 as the Supreme Court today postponed his appeal challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate. A two-judge bench comprising Justices Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta said the matter will be taken up in the week starting April 29. Additionally, the court sent a notice to the Enforcement Directorate regarding the matter. The bench instructed the ED to submit a response to the plea by April 24. During the hearing, senior lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi, representing Kejriwal, said there were selective leaks in the case and sought a shorter date. In reply, Justice Khanna stated, and I am quoting it, "We'll give you a short date, but the date suggested by you is not possible." Singhvi further highlighted that Kejriwal was not named in the enforcement case information report or the charge sheet. He added that the arrest was to disable the Delhi CM from campaigning. The 14-day judicial custody of the Chief Minister ended today. The arrest is linked to a money laundering case related to the Delhi liquor policy. Before this, on April 9, the Delhi High Court rejected Kejriwal's request. On April 10, a day after the Delhi High Court rejected his petition, Kejriwal brought his case to the Supreme Court. The Delhi High Court had stated that he had conspired with others in the case. In his letter to the Supreme Court, Kejriwal argues that his arrest was unfair. The letter asks him to set free and declare his arrest as illegal. Earlier on April 9, while rejecting Kejriwal's plea, the Delhi High Court also noted that he was actively involved in using the proceeds of the crime, as per materials provided by the Enforcement Directorate. The court further alleged that he was personally engaged in formulating the now defunct liquor policy and soliciting kickbacks. Kejriwal will remain in jail as the first phase of voting for the Lok Sabha polls will take place on April 19. That's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.